Hi, my name is Stan Kondrad. I am the creator of the Greek for All vocabulary app, and in this video I'm going to show a brief demonstration of what this app is all about and why you absolutely need it. So let's begin. So the app has three modes, and the learning mode is where you learn the new words. The testing mode is where you test the words. You can also learn the words there as well, as you will see in a moment. And the progress shows your strong areas and the weak areas and what you still need to learn and what you need to refresh. So let's go and click on the learn mode. This is the interface, and here you choose the segment which you want to learn. On the top row you see the parts of speech, nouns, verbs, adjectives, and the other. Other includes the adverbs, conjunctions, and prepositions, and the all button represents all the parts of speech in Greek, so all of these segments together. And the bottom row shows you the frequency, how often this part of speech appears in the New Testament. So we can see that there is 377 nouns, 403 verbs, 115 adjectives, the other is 128, and altogether this app has 1023 words which appear 10 or more times in the New Testament. If you learn this 1000 words, you will cover pretty much between 85 to 90% of New Testament words, which means that you will be able to translate 9 out of 10 words which you will see in your text. So now let's start learning. So nouns which appear 50 or more times in the New Testament. This is your beginning Greek. By the way, altogether there's 279 words in your beginning Greek which you need to learn in the first semester of Greek. So let's click start button, and this is what we have. So this is the interface which we have. On the top we see that there is 97 words in this segment, and we learned 0 at this point. So then you will see the Greek word and the little symbol there, which if you click it, it will play the sound, how this word is pronounced. And if you swipe the picture up, you will see the English equivalent of this Greek word. The number on the red ribbon shows how often this word appears in the New Testament. So the word chara appears 59 times in the New Testament. If you know this word, you can click the button got it. It means you know this word, and as you click it, it will bring you a new word. But on the very top you will see that we just learned the first word out of the 97, and this word chara was removed from the deck. You're not gonna see it again. So the cycle repeats, and if you don't know the word, you click next, and then you see phos, you don't know this word, so you check, okay, light, I didn't know, so you click next. And if you click next, if you don't know the words as you're learning them, you will see that very soon they will start repeat. So the app does not circulate 97 words in this segment, but only chooses between 5 and 10 words to circulate. So through repetition you can learn faster. So as you can see, these words start repeating as we click next. And as we start clicking got it, so let's say we learned 6 words, we will see that it will add new words into this segment. You can see new words appeared, and again it's going to circulate between 5 to 10 words. So this is how the learning mode works. At any time you can go back and start testing your words. Actually, you can even start here. You will see a familiar interface where you pick the segment which you want to test, and here at the bottom you can pick how many questions you want to test. Let's say you don't want to test all 97 words, you just have a minute or two and you want to just have a brief quiz. Let's test 10 words in this segment. So the app will randomly pick 10 words in this segment and will quiz you on them. So let's click the start button. And this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the Greek word and 4 English options from which you will need to pick one. So let's say archiereos means the high priest, so you click high priest. Paidion means a child, infant, pneuma, spirit, breath, Christos, Christ. Koine means woman. Teknon means child, so click it again. And then daimonion, it means demon, but let's say we make a mistake, we click promise. Huios means son, but we click a man, husband. And Irena means peace, but let's say we click life. And ecclesia means church, assembly church, so we click assembly church. So we scored 70%. We got 7 out of 10. You remember we made 3 mistakes. If we click the button review, we can see all the questions and our answers. As you can see, there are 3 mistakes which we made. And even here you can learn the words through just kind of matching. You can see what you learn right, and where you made mistakes. So even in this mode, testing mode, you can still learn Greek words, and this is what I really like about this. And finally, if you want to check your progress, you click progress, and here you see all of the segments, and you will see 2 sets of numbers. The one shows your best score which you ever scored in testing this particular segment, and then you will see the last or the latest score. For example, we just tested 50 plus nouns, and you can see that our best score was 100, but the one we just took scored 70, which tells me that at one point I knew this segment very well. I scored 100, but right now I scored only 70, so I need to refresh this segment. If you want to reset any of these statistics, you just swipe it and you click reset, and it will reset this stat to 0. Or if you want to reset all of the stats, let's actually reset it right there so you see it jump to 0. Or if you want to reset all of the stats, you just click reset all at the top right corner, and it will reset all of the stats to 0. So this is the app. It's very simple, very straightforward, and it's really gonna help you to learn the biblical Greek vocab in no time. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can see the benefits of having this app on your mobile device. If you choose to buy it, I want to thank you in advance for supporting me and my ministries. I wish you nothing less than success. All the best to you, and as usually, learn Greek, love God, and I'll see you in the next video.